Hi, I'm Trent with Texan Inspection Services. I'm going to talk to you today about foundations real quick. Let me show you something that I found on a house I did today. It's a crack in the foundation. Now everybody wants to know when they're buying a house, is one of the most important parts. Is it my foundation functioning or is it not? And a crack by itself, especially like this, doesn't tell us the whole story. There's no other indication of any movement on this house on the outside. But on the inside, there is. We've got cracked tiles, we've got cracked sheetrock, and we've got all that evidence that we have to put together and from experience know whether or not this is something that points to excessive foundation movement. Because let's be honest, every foundation moves. Every foundation moves. Just depends on how much. And in this case, because of the evidence that I found inside the house, as well as this little crack right here, we're going to say that no, I don't believe that this foundation is functioning the way it's supposed to. And that's really important to know for my buyer. And that's all we have for today. We'll talk to you next time.